Hello everyone, today we have an Audi Q7 2014 with an TDI engine, which means it's a diesel engine. We are going to perform an oil change, but before doing that we have to do an engine flush because I have noticed that the oil is very dirty. So we're gonna use some nice oil additives to flush the engine and clean all the residues that have been accumulated time over time. Also, we're gonna change the air filter, the fuel filter, and we're gonna put some more fuel additives so every part in the fuel system can be lubricated and last longer, run smoother, and make this car stay on the road for a very long time. Stay tuned. All of the products that we are using are not a sponsor for this video, but we have read good comments on those and we believe they are the best choice for this beautiful engine. Also, on previous history cars we have used it, not here in US, overseas also. So we believe that the products are well branded, well made, and will make this car run smoother for a long time without causing any damage to the engine or to any other part. I repeat, these parts are not a sponsor. We are going to add the engine oil flush directly to the engine oil reservoir and run the car for about 15 minutes according to the recommendation, and that will be enough time to dissolve probably mostly of the old residues caused by the old oil or any other parts that not supposed to be there. We're gonna run the car for about 15 minutes and wait to a little bit cool down so we don't burn ourselves with the oil, and then we're gonna start the process of the oil change. We are going to put the car on jack stands and we are using professional tools, so we are lifting up and then we're going to place the jack stands. As you can see, the oil is very dirty and was the best choice to replace it with a brand new oil and a brand new filter. We are going to run smoothly this process, taking our time and make it good. This particular oil is designed for diesel engine, especially for European cars, and meet the requirement set from Audi company, and we are going to use the necessary amount from the 2 gallons that we have purchased. Another component is an oil additive that will help the engine to lose friction, to protect the walls, the cylinder walls, and to run smoother. It says that increase the performance and longevity of the engine. Let's see. Thank you. It is time to change the fuel filter. It's recommended to change every other time that you change the oil, or even faster if you like. It is very important because difference between gasoline and diesel, the diesel is more dirty, let's say, and has more chances to clog any fuel injectors. That's why it's recommended to change the fuel filter often. Please visit my other content listed in this folder or other folders that I have attached to my channel. And if you like, you can share a comment, a like, subscribe, whatever you like to tell us or to learn from us. Thank you and have a great day. See you next time.